Riria oimire gicagi-ini gia Kanyamkago mwena wa Uriri kaunti-ini ya Migori gutire mundu wamenyire, no umuthi icera ria ndagika nini riarahuraga gicagi kigima na mihang'o yothe ikamba kurugama, o mundu akienda kuona Eddie Gicheru Okech, mwanake wa miaka 27 tu uria ohete Uriri mwihoko ati gutire kiroto gitakinyanagira.
Nobody knew that chopper could come to this place, or anybody from this area could stand as a parliament in any seat. Yeah, so we are very proud of him. He's our star.
So I always see Migori County as that place where young people of my age and young people of my caliber are facing some eminent challenges that sometimes limit their opportunities in terms of getting further in life.
Ndio kijana kama huyu wa 27 years aweze kupata kura kama 60,000 and above. Na alikuwa na ng'ang'ania hiyo kiti na mtu ameshasimama, mtu ashakuwa in power, mtu ashakuwa minister na ameweza kumkimbiza hivyo. I feel so good, I'm proud, I'm very proud of him kwa sababu he has really tried his best, he has changed the face of Migori.
Mweri mugima Drumeni Oteti ikoretwo imumurikite ari murirukia wa tigiti wa kiama kia FPK bitika-ini ya giturwa gia seneta wa Migori, na mwanake uria ukoretwo akihomithia kiama kia ODM gitugi-ini kiria kirikanaga ni kiayo, undu nginya Raila Odinga na icoka ciothe cia ODM ciambikite kambi Migori kuhurana na mwanake omwe, na turia makoretwo makiuga magacokera na magateterithia utahikanitie.
Wakati ya matusi tuko nasikia vibaya kama family because he's still young, na unajua time ya kuoa ikifika mtu anaoa tu. So to me I believe that time ya kuoa ikifika ataoa.
They just thought he was like any other Dick and Harry, but this is, I've seen in him, he is a presidential material.
Ule upendo mmenipa nashukuru.
Ni mwanake munini umite family tehotaga na areretwo ni family mugwanja ikimuthomithia na kumuhe uikaro. Family yake ri kumukua tha yari ya Mugikuyu na yamuire yacemania nake ari kirathi-ini gia kana akihothithia mbeca cia gucoka thukuru. Utana wa family iyo niguo watumire oe ritwa ria Gikuyu Gicheru, na baba wao aratwira ati kwina gitumi kingi.
Sasa kweli wakati walikuwa nasoma alikuwa anamwambia wenzake mimi nitakuwa kama Evans Gicheru. Wakati yoge wagenzi alikuwa jaji mkuu. Sasa alikuwa anafanya yeye itakuwa chief judge. Sasa alikuwa nicknamed.
Akigerera moko-ini ma family itiganite, aciari ake othe monaga njata yahithitwo kiruru-ini gia thina, njata ya utongoria, utana na kwenda githomo. Nikio riria tobokire uteti-ini, andu aingi aria mamui matiagegire ni mamenyaga ni undu wari thiini wake no ugiuka tene. Arugamire mwaka-ini wa 2017 no akigwa, no rita riri nirio kirahiuhire ngwatiro aking'ethanira na Raila Odinga, ODM na Ochilo Ayako bitika-ini ya giturwa gia Senate, bitika iria iraihũrĩtwo ni irumi, njambanio na kwaura na nguo.
Tangu nisaliwe sijaona mabambano kama hiyo ikiendelea hapa Kenya. Ati timu inaweza kwenda kwa mtoto hata kama mkubwa. Sijaona kama watu wamekwenda zaidi ya 100 ati wanaenda kupanga kampeni ya juu ya mtu mmoja. Hii haidi ndio nimeona mwaka hii.
This was the first time somebody was daring a dynasty. But I don't think that is important. What is important is that have I been consistent in terms of my leadership philosophy? And one of those has been fundamental.
Akijeria muturire-ini wake kuma nyeki-ini nginyagia riri-ini, ngamuria mwanake munini arutite ku uhoti wa kimbeca wa guturumithania ciongo na athuri mena indo.
Young people within Migori County and friends both within the county and outside the county, as well as a few technical support from the diaspora, my friends in the diaspora. I made a big network in the diaspora, that is in the US and in the UK.
Kwa ihinda-ini riri arehita mundu urarehe mogaruruku na niataukirwo wega ati ni barabara nditu iria ikumuguthithania ciongo na nyumba iria iuge munene mwena wa Luo Nyanza ya Odinga. No aroiga ati hena bata wa gucenjia ithabu ria ati no nyumba ndare ingitongoria bururi wa Kenya. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma gicagi-ini gia Kanyamkago mwena wa Uriri kaunti-ini ya Migori.
You can lie to some people sometimes, but you cannot lie to all the people all the time. We will come back.
Jitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.